part 2. Sorry, YouTube. I didn't know if it was recording or not. Power cord round 2. Or round 1, part 2. Or however many parts it's hard to cut it into.
I don't think they're going to get in green building.
Somebody should probably tell that to them.
Yeah, right? They're trying to get
They are really pushing. Oh, hello. I don't know, but I got hit.
Is there only one door?
I don't know. I can't tell you. I'm dead. Did you just walk on?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. I'm like, how the fuck did you get back there? Well, that's gonna get annoying. So it looks like they're still pushing that green building pretty hard. You hit?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright.
We should also try to sweep out mine shaft.
Copy, I'm ready. I'm game to do that if you want.
I'm watching guys consistently come out from the west of mine shaft dead, so I'd be careful over there.
What's up? Gotcha.
Let's see.
You want to push mine?
Heck yeah. We got a few people in there.
Yeah, we got
You
friendlies.
might be able to see someone down this door if you go out a little bit.
Oh, I could have shot that dude.
I think he was hit.
Oh, I still could have shot him.
Watch this post door if you move up a little bit.
Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah.
You think there's tangos in there? Oh, hello. Little hidey hole there, just pointing gun at me.
Oh, almost got him.
Here we got.
That guy coming right here.
He ran through here.
Coming right here. Can you see him? He's coming right here.
Oh, he's shooting. He's shooting. Oh, you know what? I do. It's the purple trim building.
You can see it from here.
Todd coming in.
I'm gonna assume that's a hit. I'll come back.
You dead?
Yeah, I think they M203'd us.
Okay.
A whole bunch of them. Watch it.
I need help in green building now.
Matt Green.
Watching here. I just had a tango come in and I got him. Watching here. We just had tango come through.
We can take that cord and toss it.
Let's do it. Give me cord.
Well, you gotta go do this, sir. I'm gonna go out.
All right, can you suppress? Go.
Ready?
Good man, Todd. Good man. Good shit. Where's Potato? You got that? You still up after that? Oh. Well, my buddy just sacrificed himself to get that power cord out, but we got it out.
I feel bad. I just nailed the kid right between the fucking eyes of the corner.
Oh.
Where's
Poor
the
little guy. We got him. We took him out.
Yeah, I just nailed the dude. I think I was there.
Anyone a smoke grenades?
Where?
Huh? Nade? No, I don't got a nade.
Where?
Watch it though, they're shooting through that door. How's that side of the building look?
It looks like we're gonna do is rip shit. As
Okay.
you can see,
But it's further down?
he lit my gun up before he shot me.
I repeat, Tony, I need
Yeah.
your location.
I'm in the green building, could use your help.
Put gloves on. Is he not getting hot?
Doorway.
No, he's using heavy duties.
Tobacco custom.
Copy that, we're 3 buildings up from that.
Right here, 4 right here. He's also using HPA, so it's more ammo on him compared to regular AAP. Where that is, we're literally just trying to lava.
Yeah. Purple trim building in that window. You see the barrel? There he is, yeah. Yeah, he's not happy. Repeat your last. Hi. Good shit, man. I'm sure you died doing it, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
That was worth it, for sure.
I really don't know if I got hit, but I figured I'd call it anyways.
Well, we got enough guys. Let's push mine shaft.
I kind of want to push into the garden hose. That's where they were at.
Well, we could probably get in through the north if we go out north. You want to do it? All right. How's that side look? Did you get them?
Oh, there's a bunch of guys.
Oh, really?
At spawn just shooting. Yeah, he's shooting guns at that spawn.
Great. Sorry, Raf. Oh, hi. Oh, he fucking won the corner. God damn it. One looks like they pushed into Wuhan. Oh, never mind. He dead. Woo! Spicy. All right, I'm gonna tuck into that corner. Oh, holy fuck. There's like a fucking battalion coming down the fucking road right now. What I wouldn't give for a machine gun right now.
I know.
Oh, but that's their spawn.
Yeah.
We can't touch them. All right, fuck it. I'm crossing. Woo! Dude, that whizzed right in front of my fucking face. Like, literally. Holy hell.
One of your mics fell, Tony.
This side?
That side.
Oh shit, that's the one I care about. Oh shit. Alright.
Oh, shotgun guy, got you? Yeah, there's guys in there. Well, we need more in there.
What, in mine shaft?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Go, 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 go. No MED. Okay. Go. It's a dead end.
Dead end.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now see you going that way?
Oh my lord.
Sorry.
Tango's down the hallway.
Is there a wait time for respawn?
No, you just walk and go. Somebody watch our sis.
Oh my god. You watch right now.
All right, Todd. Once he sets up, we take the corner.
2 people in front.
Ready? Let's roll. Down the hallway. My guess is he's going to be on the right by that open door.
2 guys, west end of mine shaft.
I don't know where I just got shot at from. I got the corner. That's on the other side of the wall. Go.
Good shit. You guys made a test? I killed a few guys in the
We got a few
I ran around the outside and I killed some guys over there.
Yeah, I got one, but
Are your friends alive?
they're just beyond this wall, right?
No. Demand.
Todd, I could use you back where you died.
Come on back.
Hi. I'm not sure what's on the other side of that either, so I don't know if the sound of the speaker is coming that way or this way. Speaker guy is definitely Tango.
Right back, Tony.
Copy, I'm hanging here.
Spawn.
I got killed in mine shaft.
Copy, was it from outside the door?
Oh, you, Tony.
In front of me?
Speaker dude's dead.
Copy that. Hit, I'll take it. I don't know if you got me, but I'll take it.
I don't know either. You barely missed me, dude, right next to me.
Yep, dead man walking out. Trying to find my dead rag, sorry. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. Fuck, so close. That was fun. Oh, there's a nice little path here now. I like that. Is that Polly Paul? No, it's not.
There's like a few of them there. I want to go.
I'm KIA heading back now.
You're like, I'm ready.
Yep, I see something. I'm like, no, it's not tan.
Don't worry, I was.
Oh, you KIA too?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know if I got friendly fire or if it was just freaking dude that almost looked tan.
Yeah, it happens.
Oh, I don't. They got a guy that's wearing full fucking multicam. Green tape right around the bottom of his feet.
Oh, because that's good. That's alright, there's a guy wearing all tan headgear and a blue checkered shirt, and they put a little bit of tape on him.
For green.
For green.
Hey man, you're good.